Welcome to our guide on how to snooze chat group notifications on X, Twitter, on PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open X on your PC to access your Twitter account. Step 2. Navigate to the left side of the page and click on Messages to enter your chat conversations. Step 3. In the address box, enter the name of the group chat for which you want to manage notifications. Step 4. Click on the specific group chat to enter the conversation. Step 5. Within the group conversation, locate and click on the information icon to access the conversation settings. Step 6. Look for the notifications section and click on Snooze Notifications to choose from options to snooze notifications for 1 hour, 8 hours, 1 week, or indefinitely, forever. By following these steps, you can easily customize your notification preferences for group chat, notifications on X, Twitter, using your PC, ensuring you have control over when you receive notifications to suit your preferences and needs. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to snooze chat group notifications on X, Twitter, on PC. Enjoy managing your notifications effectively and optimizing your group chat experience on Twitter.